YouTube TV now supports both light mode and dark mode, giving you control over how bright or dim your interface looks. Here's how to switch themes on any device. Step 1. Open the Settings menu. Open YouTube TV on your phone, smart TV, or web browser. Tap or click your profile icon in the top right corner and select Settings. Step 2. Choose your theme. Look for an option labeled Appearance, Theme, or Display Mode. The name may vary depending on your device. You'll see two main choices: Light Mode, a bright background; Dark Mode, a dim, eye-friendly background. Select Dark Mode if you prefer a cinematic look or watch mostly at night. Choose Light Mode for daytime viewing or better visibility in bright environments. Step 3. Theme options on mobile devices. On phones and tablets, YouTube TV may follow your device's system theme automatically. To change it manually, open YouTube TV, go to your profile, open Settings, and select Appearance. Step 4. Theme options on web browsers. On a computer, click your profile picture and select Appearance, then choose Dark Theme or Light Theme. Step 5. Theme options on smart TVs. Some smart TVs match the system-wide theme. If your TV uses automatic theme settings, change the theme in the device menu under Settings, then open Display or Device Preferences and choose a theme option. Switching themes updates instantly, and your YouTube TV interface will change immediately. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more helpful YouTube TV guides.